Are you ready to plunge into the depths of the ocean and explore the mysteries of the deep sea? Join us as we look closer at the largest deep-sea animals that call the ocean home. From massive squids to colossal jellyfish, get ready to meet the 5 deep-sea giants that will leave you in awe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with more deep-sea adventures. The giant Japanese spider crab. The deep blue sea holds secrets beyond human imagination, and one of the most peculiar creatures is the Japanese giant spider crab. With its long, slender legs stretching over 12 feet across, this giant arthropod strikes fear in the hearts of many who see it. In fact, the Japanese call it Taka ashigani, or tall legs crab. It's the largest crab in the world, with a lifespan of up to 100 years, and it can only be found in the waters off the coast of Japan. Living in the ocean's depths, the Japanese giant spider crab prefers water between 400 to 900 feet deep. However, it has been known to venture even deeper, up to 2,000 feet down. These creatures can be found living in vents and holes on the ocean floor and move into shallower waters to reproduce. Their offspring can be found in these areas as well. While the Japanese giant spider crab may be found in the waters off the coast of Japan, it's very particular about where it lives. This marine creature lives only in salt water in the North Pacific Ocean, bordering the Japanese islands of Honshu and Kyushu. It prefers certain bodies of water, such as Suruga Bay, Sagami Bay, and Tosa Bay. Its distinct orange color with white spots along its legs and bumpy carapace help it blend in with the rocky ocean floor. To further disguise itself, the Japanese spider crab adorns its shell with sponges and other animals, using a specific routine behavior to attach and shape them. Despite its ferocious appearance, the Japanese giant spider crab is reported to have a gentle disposition. Its armored exoskeleton provides protection from larger predators, such as octopuses, while its unique molting behavior allows it to shed its carapace and walking legs. Furthermore, unlike other species of crab, the Japanese spider crab does not specifically look for matching colors to blend into its environment. It simply camouflages in a way that disguises its entire structure. This is likely because the crab is nocturnally active and is simply trying to avoid predators at night. The Japanese giant spider crab is a remarkable creature, a testament to the vast diversity and strangeness of life in the ocean. Though few may ever encounter this giant arthropod in the wild, it remains a wonder to behold from afar. Big red jellyfish. Meet Tiburonia granrojo, the big red jellyfish, a truly one-of-a-kind creature. This jellyfish was discovered in 2003 by a team of scientists led by George Matsumoto after using the Tiburon ROV to collect morphological samples for analysis. The discovery of this unique species led to a new subfamily of Ulmarina, known as Tiburoninae. Tiburonia granrojo can be found in the Pacific Ocean in areas such as the Gulf of California, Monterey Bay, Hawaii, and Japan, where they dwell at depths ranging from 600 to 1,500 meters. These jellies exhibit deep-sea gigantism, growing up to a whopping 76 centimeters in diameter. Their strikingly red coloration is likely due to the presence of a pigment called rhodopsin, which is used for light detection in low-light conditions. What sets Tiburonia granrojo apart from other jellyfish is its thick, fleshy oral arms that replace the long tentacles found in most jellyfish species. Additionally, the radial canals of the jellyfish do not narrow, and its bell has a unique shape. Unfortunately, despite being so large, only 23 members of this species have been found to date, with only one being retrieved for further study. The environmental conditions where Tiburonia granrojo thrives are extreme, with water temperatures ranging from 2.7 to 49 degrees Celsius, salinities between 34.1 to 34.5 psu, and oxygen contents between 0.15 to 1.22 milliliter of O21 raised to -1. Given the rarity of this species, there is much to learn about this enigmatic creature. But with the aid of high-resolution videos taken by remote-controlled submarines, scientists have gathered some fascinating insights into the behavior and lifestyle of the big red jellyfish. The giant Greenland shark. The Greenland shark, also known as the Guri shark or Ikalushuak, is a massive shark belonging to the family Somniosidae, closely related to the Pacific and southern sleeper sharks. This shark is mostly found in the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, although evidence of it ranges as far south as the Caribbean at great depths. What sets this species apart is its incredible lifespan, estimated to be between 250 and 500 years, making it the longest living vertebrate on record. Aside from its impressive longevity, the Greenland shark is also one of the largest known species of shark, with a typical length between 2.4 to 4.3 meters and a weight of 700 kilograms. However, some have been recorded up to 7.3 meters in length and 1,400 kilograms in weight. Despite its size, this shark is not known to be a threat to humans, and there have been no recorded attacks. The Greenland shark is a generalist feeder, consuming various available foods. Its diet includes a rolling motion of its jaw when feeding on large carcasses. The teeth of its upper jaw are thin and pointed, acting as an anchor, while the lower jaw cuts massive chunks of prey. The shark's lower teeth are interlocking, broad, and square, containing short, smooth cusps that point outward. Teeth in the two halves of the lower jaw are strongly pitched in opposite directions. Living in the cold depths of the Arctic and North Atlantic, the Greenland shark has adapted to its environment by having a high concentration of trimethylamine N-oxide in its tissues. This chemical makes the meat toxic, but when treated to reduce toxins, the flesh is eaten as a delicacy known as kasturkarl in Iceland. The shark's body coloration can range from pale creamy gray to blackish brown, and it is typically uniform in color, with occasional whitish spots or faint dark streaks on its back. Giant mosasaurs. Giant mosasaurs were some of the most formidable predators of the late Cretaceous period, ruling the warm, shallow inland seas with their powerful swimming abilities and streamlined bodies. These extinct marine reptiles, whose name originates from the Meuse River, where their first fossils were discovered in 1764, evolved from an extinct group of aquatic lizards and were closely related to modern-day snakes and lizards. Mosasaurs came in a variety of sizes, with the smallest species measuring less than a meter in length, while the largest species, Mosasaurus hoffmanni, may have reached up to 17 meters in length. However, recent research suggests that this estimate may have been exaggerated, and the largest known publicly exhibited mosasaur skeleton, nicknamed Bruce, is just over 15 meters long. These massive creatures were well suited to their marine environment, with reduced limb bones, webbed paddles for efficient swimming, and broad tails for powerful propulsion. Although early reconstruction showed mosasaurs with dorsal crests running the length of their bodies, these were later discovered to be based on a misidentification of tracheal cartilage. Instead, mosasaurs likely had stiff bodies and large crescent-shaped flukes on their tails for propulsion, similar to sharks and ichthyosaurs. While mosasaurs were once thought to have swum using undulating movements similar to those of eels and sea snakes, recent evidence suggests that their bodies were stiffer to reduce drag. Instead, they relied on their powerful tails for propulsion. This adaptation may have allowed them to lurk and pounce on their prey quickly and efficiently, rather than engaging in prolonged chases. These impressive creatures ultimately met their demise at the end of the Cretaceous period, along with many other species, as a result of the KPG event. However, today, their fossils continue to fascinate and provide valuable insights into the evolution and diversity of prehistoric marine life. Giant squid. The giant squid is a fascinating species that dwells in the depths of the ocean. Its scientific name is Architeuthis dux, and it belongs to the family Architeuthidae. These creatures are known for their impressive size, which is an example of abyssal gigantism. Females can grow up to 12 to 13 meters, 39 to 43 feet in length, while males reach up to 10 meters, 33 feet. From the posterior fins to the tip of their two long tentacles, the mantle of the giant squid is about 2 meters, 6 feet 7 inches long, and the length of the squid, excluding its tentacles but including the head and arms, rarely exceeds 5 meters, 16 feet. Genetic research suggests that there is only one species of giant squid, which is widespread and occurring in the world's oceans. These creatures are usually found found near continental and island slopes, ranging from the North Atlantic Ocean to the South Pacific and Southern Africa. However, they are rare in tropical and polar latitudes. The vertical distribution of giant squid is not well known, but based on data from trawled specimens and sperm whale diving behavior, it is believed that they can be found at depths ranging from 300 to 1,000 meters, 980 to 3,280 feet. Giant squids are the second largest mollusk and one of the largest invertebrates. They are exceeded in size only by the colossal squid, Mesonychoteuthis hamiltoni, which may have a mantle nearly twice as long. Although there have been reports of giant squid reaching over 20 meters, 66 feet, in length, no specimens approaching this size have been scientifically documented. What do you think of these giant deep-sea creatures? Comment below and subscribe for more.